today I tell you how to prepare a coco peat. As you know, today is Durga Ashtami. Everybody is having coconut at home. So don't throw the peels of the coconut. We will make the coco peat. How to make? I'll tell you. Simply you just take a coconut skin and you have to comb it. Simple comb you can take and just comb it. Simply you have to just comb. Just see, the cocoa powder is coming out, or you can also rub it. And just rub it. Now our coco peat is ready. Now how to use this, I also tell you. What you have to take, you also have to take some of the leftovers for the planter. Now just take little bit of soil and mix it in a coco peat. Mix it properly. Now your mixture is ready. Now take any of the planter. In the planter you can take the simple peel and put it on the base. You can also use for planter, put it in the base and then add mud. Now you can add this mixture. Ready. After that you just take the water, put some water, and let it set. And then you just take any of the planter, like I am taking a money plant, and just plant it. Yes, let it.
soft and cool.